guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another behind the scenes of a planner sticker shop. So you guys have really been loving my Etsy behind the scenes vlogs, so I wanted to film another one for you. I started to film all of this like during Black Friday when I was trying to get everything out, but then I just was like, I want to get these orders out as soon as possible, and I didn't want to waste any time. Not that filming would be a waste of time, but I really had quite a few orders from Black Friday and I just wanted to get them out because some people ordered time sensitive stuff like Christmas kits or New Year's kits, you know, so I wanted to make sure that I got them out so people could use them. So I did film some clips, but I didn't have enough to do a full video, so I've actually been filming more clips today, but it is what it is. Sometimes this happens. So in this video, I started out working on Black Friday orders, and as my orders were cutting, I went ahead and got all the freebie packs together. I had swapped with a bunch of different shops, and so I just needed to get everything organized for the orders that I was working on at that moment. So those definitely aren't all the freebie packs that I put together, but those were just the ones that my machines were currently cutting the orders and everything, so I needed to get them together. So I wanted to show you guys that in this video, just everything that goes into getting Black Friday orders out. I kind of wish that I had shown you the prep for Black Friday, but that's okay. I still got like some of the behind the scenes from Black Friday, so it's all good. But yeah, we had several orders from Black Friday and I just was really focused on getting those out, and so I didn't get as much vlog footage as I would have liked, but I was like, you know what, this is going to be a different take on the Etsy vlogs anyway, because it's not going to be like just one day. It's going to be a pile of like a couple different days. So that's what we're doing today. I hope you guys enjoy. After I had finished my Black Friday orders, I decided to go ahead and design. So I'm currently looking at a website called Unsplash, and that is where I get photos for my photo kits. You can use the photos for commercial purposes and stuff. So it's a really great site if you guys are a sticker maker and you need photos for like photo kits and stuff. I highly recommend this website. It's just really good. But I was looking to try to figure out what I wanted to do for like springtime kits and St. Patrick's Day. You can see that I'm looking at like the 4-leaf clovers and such. So I was looking at that. I'm currently in the process of reformatting like my kits, and there's actually going to be a kit reveal. Well, by the time this video goes up, there will have been a full reveal on my Instagram, so I'm going to link that down below if you guys want to see the full reveal of my new kit format. I'm really excited. I've been working hard on it, and I actually want to do a whole video showing you guys that as well. I just haven't really had the time to film it and show you guys, but I do want to eventually. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to show you guys like how I format my kits and do all of that. But yeah, so far in this clip, I'm just looking for different pictures. I'm not even designing. I'm just going through. I'm trying to find pictures that I think would look good together and that fit the theme that I'm going for the kits. I was looking at, you know, different ones for Easter, and it's kind of a time-consuming process because I want to find photos that have kind of the same color scheme or that look like they could fit together, and it just takes a while. You just have to like search and search and search, so that is what I'm doing. So after Black Friday, I realized that I had so many stickers in my Oops drawer, and these stickers, a lot of them have very minor things wrong with them. In fact, a lot of them were actually just overstock of stuff that I didn't sell or that I discontinued that kit style. So a lot of them are actually like near perfect stickers. So I decided to go through and bundle them all together and have an Oops bag sale. I think I had 16 Oops bags, you guys, and it sold out within like 12 hours. So thank you guys so much for ordering the Oops bags. Like I said, they're really good stickers. I mean, most of them were just overstock. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it other than like I don't sell that kit anymore. But yeah, so I went ahead and bundled it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sorting through because I like to make sure that if I have, if I'm doing an oops bag, I want you guys to get as many pieces of like a full kit as you can. They don't always have like full kits, but I want to like bundle the sheets together so you guys can get the most out of your oops bag kit, you know? So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just dividing like all the different kits and organizing them. Now I'm just taking you through the regular Etsy order fulfillment process. So as soon as I receive an order, or like whenever I start to work for the day, I will print off the stickers that are in the order. So that's currently what you're seeing here. My printer is just doing its thing and printing. It like shakes this whole shelf. It's kind of funny. And also, I know a lot of people ask me which printer I have. I have the Canon Pixma MG something. I don't remember all the numbers, but it's actually been discontinued. So I just recommend something in the line of like Canon Pixma, you know? So once I have that done, I will put it on my cutting mat and I will run it through my cutting machine. I use the Silhouette Cameo. I have the second version. They have a newer version that's like the Cameo 3, but I have the Cameo 2. So that is what I use to cut all of my stickers, in case you guys were wondering. And then I will go ahead and start packaging everything. So I like to use these little stickers that have my face on them, just so you have like a face to put with the shop name as well. And it has all of my social media information and where you can find me, where you can find my shop. And then I add a freebie. I need to update my freebies, but I just add in some freebies to the orders. And then I'm adding some extra freebies. I had some left over from Black Friday, so I just wanted to send those out. So I was placing a couple in each order. And then the last thing I decided to do in this Etsy vlog was show you guys how I design and do my kit layouts and such. So I'm currently trying to bring back the monthly colors for the Erin Condren. So that's what I'm working on here in this clip. I am just changing the colors and laying out the page the way that I want it. But I'm really excited to bring these stickers. They will be released in January, if you guys were wondering. And that pretty much wraps up my day for Etsy. This is what I do every day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more. I'm going to be doing a whole like series on Etsy and making planner stickers. So make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell notification so that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.